In this question, lake surface is exposed to the atmosphere where temperature is less than 0 degree centigrade. If lake of ice, ठीक है, so change हो रहा है from 2 centimeter to 4 centimeter. So initially 2 centimeter is there, finally 4 centimeter in 1 hour. ठीक है, atmospheric temperature is TA outside, thermal conductivity is given, rho is given, latent heat of fusion is this one, है ना. So neglect change in density during the state change means we have to assume water density and same, ice density same. Assume that the water below the ice has 0 degree centigrade. So now heat transfer will be from water to outside. जितना heat transfer होगा उतना ही ice क्या होगा, freeze होगा, है ना. नहीं, ice freeze होगा. So heat transfer will be equal to T high minus T low divided by resistance L by Ka. So T high is 0 minus T low Ta divided by L by K. L is how much, x divided by K into area. Area will be this area of cross section. तो जितना हीट आउट हो रहा है उतना ही मास फ्रीज होगा, है ना. उसी रेट से मास फ्रीज होगा. दैट विल बी इक्वल टू dm बाई dt. इतना मास पर सेकेंड फ्रीज हो रहा है, dm मास पर सेकेंड, है ना. तो dm बाई dt into latent heat of fusion. So whatever the heat is going outward, so that will be heat will be extracted by converting water into the ice. ठीक है, so dm by dt, this much water is converting into ice. So how much heat will be required? So this much है. This will be equal to this, equate कर दिया. So now using this x term will be one side, so x will go this side. So rho latent heat of fusion divided by K into x will go this side, so x dx will be there, and यहाँ minus TA will be there and dt will go this side, so dt will is there. So after that x is varying from 2 centimeter to 4 centimeter, time 0 to t. So now we will check the unit of this. इसका unit check करेंगे, what is the unit. So rho is given in gram per centimeter cube, latent of fusion is calorie per gram, K is given calorie centimeter second degree centigrade. ठीक है, so this is the unit for the K, and x square is there, so इसका unit क्या आएगा, x square. So after solving this everything will cancel and only unit क्या आएगा, second and degree centigrade. So left hand side unit is second and degree centigrade, so this will be temperature, that is degree centigrade, and time will be in the second. Okay, so after solving this x square by 2, so that is 1 by 2, x का value 4 put किया, 16 minus 4. ठीक है, so left hand side is this one and right hand side is minus TA. time कितना दिया था, 1 hour, so time we will substitute in second because unit is second and degree centigrade. So from here minus TA value you will solve it. ठीक है, so इसको solve करेंगे, divide by 3600, so you will get how much, 30. So TA का value कितना आ गया, minus 30. So this will be the